Welcome to Learn Science with Fun. Before beginning, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. We all know that there are so many microorganisms in our surroundings. Some of them are useful to us and called as friends, and some are harmful, hence called foe or enemy. You might have heard from your mother to not eat the fallen food because there are so many germs on the floor and so tiny that you cannot see through your naked eyes. These germs are microorganisms. You will be surprised to know that a microorganism can help us making our food. And the same can make us ill too. So, let's know about microorganisms in their habitat. Microorganism is a living organism and they are so small in size that we cannot see them through naked eyes. Microorganisms can survive in different environmental conditions such as soil, water, and mountains. They are broadly classified into 5 major groups: bacteria, protozoa, viruses, fungi, and algae. These microorganisms are categorized in useful microorganisms and harmful microorganisms. Now let's discuss the friendly activity of microorganisms in detail. One such friendly microorganism is yeast. Yeast is useful in baking industry and in making bread, cakes, and pastry. The bacterium lactobacillus is useful to make curd from milk. Microorganisms are useful in commercial field. For instance, yeast is used in distillery industry for large-scale production of alcohol. Some bacteria are helpful in production of antibiotics and vaccine. Some blue-green algae, bacteria increases the soil fertility by atmospheric nitrogen fixation process. Nitrogen fixation is the biological process in which atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia with the help of bacteria. Now let's discuss about harmful microorganisms. Microorganisms that cause diseases are known as pathogens. Microorganisms can cause diseases in humans and in animals. We can broadly classify them into communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Diseases such as asthma, diabetes, and cancer are non-communicable diseases and cannot be transferred from one person to another. While communicable diseases are transferred from infected person to a healthy person by means of air, water, and food. Common cold is a very common example for communicable diseases. Some insects and animals that are found in our surroundings act as carriers of pathogens, for example, housefly and mosquito. In cholera disease, housefly are the carriers of many pathogens. To prevent cholera disease, The food should always be covered and avoid consuming the uncovered food item. In malaria disease, female Anopheles mosquito is the carrier of Plasmodium parasite. We should use mosquito repellent creams, sprays, and mosquito nets to prevent malaria. Here is a list describing various common diseases caused by different pathogens. Now let's discuss the diseases in animals. Anthrax. Anthrax is a bacterial disease caused by Bacillus anthracis, while foot and mouth disease is caused by virus. Now let's know about diseases caused in plants. There are several microorganisms which causes diseases in various plants, such as wheat rust, spread through air and seed, citrus cancer, yellow vein mosaic bhindi are few examples. In summer season, if the food is lying open for a longer duration, the food turns into a poisonous substance. The cause of this is again the same, bacteria. There are some bacteria like Clostridium, Bacillus, Staphylococcus, which causes food poisoning. We can preserve our food by using preservatives such as salt, edible oil, sugar, in food items such as pickle, jams and jellies. Pasteurization is used to preserve milk. It is a process of heating to a specific temperature for a definite length of time and then cooling immediately. Here is a practice question. Microorganisms are unicellular, multicellular, both, or none of these? Do let me know the answer in the comment sections below. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you until next time. Bye bye.